Design and display. The new G3 has a premium, tidy design which looks good. Pick it up and it feels lightweight, and the plastic body is noticeable, detracting a little from the premium look. Round the back. The glossy, shiny rear makes the phone stand out as it catches the light. It's a nice effect, but the finish is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. A centrally located fingerprint scanner, below the dual camera block, is easy to reach, as are the power and volume keys on the right. Measuring 153 by 70 by 9 mm, the G3 is a sizable presence in the hand, and those with smaller palms will struggle to comfortably hold and use the phone in one hand. The curved rear edges do allow the G3 to sit more snugly in hand though, affording you a better grip on the handset. On the front you get a 5.7-inch HD+, 1440 by 720 display with the now popular 18:9 aspect ratio, which makes it taller and thus better suited to movies and gaming when held in landscape. The screen is bright and clear, and while we'd have liked to have seen a full HD display, the G3 is still perfectly usable.